morning. I'm Tracy. Welcome to my sewing room. Today we are going to learn how to make the rope basket. Enough talking already. 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 Oh, you know what I'm gonna say. Enough talking already. It's here. The UPS guy just now dropped this off. This is the box that it comes in. Just comes in a very skinny box right here. Can you tell that I'm super excited? Oh my word. Okay. I'm just gonna do it, right? Just do it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Goodness. Oh my word. I haven't been this nervous in I don't know how long. The first thing I see is this right here. It's a letter. Oh my goodness. And a card that says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping," okay, well, it doesn't look like it is. I can't totally see it, but I'm not suspecting that it is. Before I look at it, I'm going to read this letter. I have yet to hear anybody read this letter on any of their box openings, so bear with me for one more minute. Do you remember your first subscriber? It was my mom. Your 100th or your 1000th subscriber. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So, oh my gosh, I can't see the rest of the words. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we might just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, I don't know if I say that right, the CEO of YouTube. Okay. Oh my word, I can't believe that made me cry, but it did. It's nice cardstock too. Enough talking already, right? I know. Oh my gosh. Presented to the sewing channel for passing 100,000 subscribers and the YouTube logo. Oh wow. It says the sewing channel on it. Just set this over here. a mirror too. It definitely says a sewing channel. Well, I have something to say, and I have something to sew or something to quilt, and I want to share it all with you. And as long as you keep watching, I'm going to keep creating my videos and tutorials. Since I have so much sewing channel merchandise loot to give away, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of every single video that I do for the rest of the year 2022. You may want to screenshot this right here. It has the email that you need to email the secret word to. Every video that I upload from now until the end of the year will have its own unique secret word at the end of it. So that means every time a video is uploaded, you have a clean slate to win some more merchandise from the sewing channel. This has been one big emotional day for me. Just know that I'm extremely thankful and I love every single one of you. Until next time on the Sewing Channel, take care.